This is the first time that we've ever taken a Muppet and motion captured them to create an audio-animatronic figure. And what's so exciting about that is that means that the figure behind me is replicating the movements of Scooter's Muppet performer, David Rudman. So everything that David does to bring Scooter to life, like you've seen him on film and TV, is captured right there, which is pretty neat.
And this guy's getting a close-up?
We wanted to bring the authentic Scooter experience to our guests, and so we built a little tiny motion capture suit, and we brought him onto our stage at Disney, and David did the performance, and we were able to capture that in 3D. We've digitized it into the computer, we've sent it to the robot in a way that now people can still experience it as it happened on the day.
It's nice to kind of come in here and be able to use new techniques to breathe life in this style of character with a unique style of motion. You know, we've done motion capture things for other ones, but this gives us the opportunity to take what we've done before, but bring it to the next level.
So at this stage, we're trying to take that motion capture data that we took and apply it to our animated figure. So we're testing how long the stick holding his hand needs to be, and we've got a little temporary hand in there that we built. And we're testing like a 10-second clip of animation on a loop, just trying to start to refine the performance and see what work needs to be done to get this show on the road.
We've been relying a ton on 3D printing. It's required a lot of iteration and working together as a team to make quick changes, print them, get them installed on the figure, see how it works, and ultimately achieve the creative intent.
I'm really impressed. The team has built a very solid robot that is very capable of recreating this performance. We're down to, millimeters in most cases here between what David did and what our robot does.
We're so excited. Our creative director, Justin, is on his way over, and we're going to show him Scooter for the very first time.
I am floored. It is looking and running perfectly, and excited to see the next phase of development.
So today's the last day. Imagineers are here at Hollywood Studios working on Rock and Roller Coaster. We've been here for the last 6 weeks getting Scooter into the attraction. We've gone through integration at central shops and testing, and now he's here integrated with the media and the audio. He's looking fantastic, and we all relied on our Muppety sense of humor to get us there. So look for our Imagineer rubber chicken in Studio C.
This team just did such an incredible job bringing this all together. We couldn't have brought this to life without that animation team that worked on Scooter. Griffin, Kara, Brooke. There's so many to name, but my God, it's so fun.
So many people at Walt Disney Imagineering worked so hard to make this possible, and I can't wait for guests to see it.